I hate reading, so let's go. Let's get ripping. Open them, kill me. All the packs. Little Christian Gonzalez and silver rookie die. Oh, here we go. Sam Laporta. Rookie die cut to the Lions. So it was a little low there. First hit going to the Lions. First hit out of the Mega, too. I hate putting these.
Your first day?
I know, I hate putting these die cuts in. I'm sorry. You guys. Oh my god, that was brutal. That was brutal. Laporta, rookie, green. First hit. It's stuck together there. Andre Miller. Bijan. Base. A little low. Maybe hold him up a little higher. Stenson Bennett. Where's that guy? Quentin Johnson. Ooh, nice little Devontae Adams. Josh Allen, that's a nice one. Xavier Hutchinson. You hold him up. Bro. T. Higgins. Silver. Tyson Baggett. The Cowboys. Just a little AR. O'Connell base for the mega. Let's get into this hobby. Get these bangers going now. Oh man, I've been waiting for this. What do we got going on here? All right, hobby time. Bijan. First hit, Chad Johnson. Oh, there we go. We got 2 hits in the same pack. That's going to be a tie-dye. So our first hit was a Chad Johnson to the out of 149. Yep. Thank you. First hit going to the Bengals. Chad Johnson. Chad Johnson. Out of 149. Nice hit. Same pack. Tie-dye auto. Jake Bobo for the Seahawks. Out of 25. Great hit. That card is amazing. That card is awesome. Wow. Tie-dye out of 25. What a hit there for the Seahawks. For the Seahawks. What a hit there. 2 Walls. Great hit, Walls. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. And the last one was a Dalton Kincaid. Great start, you guys. Got some more of those. Got some more of those stands. Oh, she's got sleeves and everything ready. She's feeling bangers coming.
Lovely sister.
A chain. Oh wow. Adrian Peterson. Out of 10 to the Vikings. Beautiful card. Beautiful card to the Vikings. That is a beautiful card. Out of 10. Massive hit. That's right. Massive. Out of 10. That is beautiful. First 2 packs have been amazing, you guys. What a start. Let's keep it going. And with the CJ Stroud base rookie, let's go. Yeah, that's huge. Out of 10, that's massive. We've already hit them out of 25 and out of 10. Here we go. Tyson Bagent, rookie, out of 149 to the Bears. Probably 500 they're saying for that last one. Unreal. Select brings the bangers. Select always brings the bangers. Bears. Very nice, Bears. How do I'm trying to keep these all in. We want the I want these in here. Move some stuff around here. Let's get these in here. See them a little better there? Can you see them a little better there? Let's go. Big hits already, guys. Great job. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get people paid. Let's get people paid. Tommy DeVito silver. And the Garrett Wilson. Garrett Wilson with blue checker out of 149 to the Jets. To the Jet. That's a banger. Garrett Wilson is a stud. Young stud. Last sold 327, they're saying on that card. Unreal. Big hit there. Big hit for the Vikes. Tiffy's ready for you guys to pull one. Yeah, Tiffy's standing here ready. She is ready. Rasheed Rice, silver rookie. Ooh. Derrick Henry. Snapshots. Thanks. Unreal. Out of 10 and out of 25, you guys. What a freaking start. Mike Singletary. Jackson Smith Enigma. Ooh, resleeve that one for me. That's a nice one. CJ Stroud on the rookie base and a Jefferson base. Thank you. Here was that last card. Jackson Smith Enigma. Carly! Thank you, Carly. Sorry, am I yelling? Sorry, I'm excited. We're pulling bangers over here. I'm excited. Devontae Smith on the silver. And a Christian McCaffrey neon icons. That one numbered. Very nice. Very nice. Xavier and Gibson. Let's go, you guys. Let's get a couple more bangers in here. Let's sneak a couple more in here. There we go. Will Levis. Will Levis on the silver. Rookie. Let me sleeve that out for me, honey. Zay Flowers. Sam Howell. Thank you. Here was that Will Levis that was just hit on the rookie. To the Titans. To the Titans. Well, we got 4 packs left, you guys, and we're still missing an auto and a mem card. So we still have 2 big hits. 2 big hits left, an auto and a mem. Here we go. Travis Kelce on the silver. CJ Stroud, rookie on the neon icons. Very nice. Will you save that for me, honey? And then Jalen Hyatt. 3 packs left. I'm going to save that thick one. That looks like it's probably our mem. Thank you. There's our CJ Stroud neon icons that was just pulled. Habib Nurmagomedov. Goat. GOAT stuff. Silver, Brandon. Oh, what do we got here? Puka, Rams on the red. Who's got Rams? Who's got Rams? Oh, what is up next, guys? Something crazy is next. Who saw what was next? Puka out of 99. That's another beautiful card. Another beautiful card, you guys. Can anyone see what is coming next? It is about to be massive. Puka rookie red out of 99. Who had the Rams? 2. Richard, beautiful hit there. We have a stand over here, honey. I'm going to get that one up on the stand. That's a real good one. We want to get that one up. All right, guys. Here we go. Ready? Can we see it? Can everyone see it? Is it focusing? Eric Dickerson. Lawrence Taylor. What team is that for? Can you look that up for me? Can anyone tell me what team this is for? Can you look up Eric Dickerson and Lawrence Taylor? Is that the Rams? Brandon says Rams. Oh, that's Rams and Giants? Oh, it's a multiple, so we're going to have to do a drawing. We're going to have to spin for this one. Rams, Giants, and Vikings? Or Rams, Giants, and Ravens? We're going to have to spin for that one. If that's multiple teams. Wait, Browns for Ozzy? Oh, there is a third person. Ozzy. Oh, man. So we're going to have to do... All right, we're going to have to do something. At the end, we're going to have to do some research. We're going to have to figure out the 3 people that are spinning. We're going to have 3 people spinning for that. All right, we have 2 packs left. Does that count as our auto then? Is that our second auto then? I'm guessing. 2 packs left, you guys. 2 packs left. That's awesome. Triple auto. That's going to be nasty. Triple auto. Jackson Smith Enigma on the silver rookie. Can you sleeve this for me, honey? And Devontae Adams. Out of 259. Thank you. 259 out of Devontae Adams. Man, you guys have been killing it this live. Here we go. And there's your JSB or JSN rookie silver. Another beautiful card. And we ended that on a TJ Watt. All right, last pack. This should be our mem card right here. Mem card loading. Here it is. Loading that mem card. Who is it going to be? Who is it going to be? Any guesses? Let's get to it. Justin Jefferson, silver. Jalen Carter, rookie. And the Tommy DeVito select rookie mem to the Giants out of 99. Out of 99 to the Giants. That is awesome. Did you get the thick ones? There should be a thing of top blowers right here for thick ones. You see it?
This right here.
Oh,
No.
should look like these. That is awesome. Oh, right here, baby. Right there. For thick ones. Awesome break, guys. 1 second, and I'll go back over these hits. The redemption is going to be Rams, Giants, and Browns. All right, baby. Can you see who has Rams, Giants, and Browns? And we're going to have to put them in a random wheel.
Yeah, got it.
All right. Tommy.
That's LA Rams, right?
Yes, ma'am. And Tommy DeVito. That's a nasty card. Awesome card there. Is there another stand?
Number 2, right.
Very nice.
Giants, right?
Yep. We're getting this
Richard.
random wheel set up for this redemption. We got to figure out who's getting the redemption.
Well, Richard had 2 of them.
Okay, so Richard had 2 of them.
His odds are looking good.
So and then last one was Browns. Yep. That's right there.
Here.
Best value breaks. Best value breaks is the last one.
Like that?
There was a couple Stroud rookies in there, but just come base. Okay, so yeah, bring that over here. Okay, so this is for our redemption. Here's our spin for our redemption. I'll just slide this over here.
You can move this too.
Okay. Can everyone see this? I'm gonna spin this. So Richard's got 2 spots and best value's got 1. Here we go. Best of luck, you guys, for our redemption.
It's almost bizarre how good Connor is. Right? Almost bizarre. He just ran through Eddie Alvarez. I mean, he's a lightweight champion.
Richard.
4 years ago was collecting unemployment checks. Ultimately, you're forced to stand back and say just how good is
Richard. Massive hit there. Nice, Richard. Maybe next time y'all have a good New Year. Hey, Mark, you too, man. Happy New Year's. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being a part of it, Mark. And go back through our hits here. Get our hits all loaded up here for everyone. So we can go back through. We had some bangers here, you guys. Holy smokes. Holy smokes, you guys. Let's go back through these. What team did Richard end up hitting that with, Tiff?
Well, he had Giants and Chargers.
He had Giants and Chargers, so it was one of those two. The Browns didn't hit. So here's a. So Devontae Adams at a 259. Stroud on the Neon Icons rookie base.
Oh, Steve did come back.
Will Levis.
What if you were in the ring with Floyd Mayweather? What do you think would happen? He's obviously in it.
JSN. Bless you, honey. Garrett Wilson. Out of 149. It's awesome. I like that. The Chad Johnson. Going out of 149. Another good one. Tyson Bagant. Did I say that right? Bagant. Out of 149 as well. We had quite a few out of 149. Sam Laporta out of the Mega to the Lions. Out of 599. It's a nice one. Out of the Mega too. Tommy DeVito. Rookie patch to the Giants. Puka rookie. Going to the Rams. Out of 99. That was a big one. Big hit. We had our triple redemption. Dickerson, Lawrence Taylor, and Ozzie Newsome. Massive triple auto. Out of 25. And our big hit. Out of 10. Adrian Peterson gold. What a hit. That is nasty, you guys. Great hits, you guys. Great hits, you guys. Let's go. Get these packaged up for everybody. You send base. I can send base if you want me to. If you don't want me to, I won't. It's up to you, man. I usually send them. If you don't tell me not to, I send them. I usually send them. Unless you tell me, please send base. Yes, I will do. I'll send you all the base. I will send you all. I'll send you everything. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Thanks for being a part of it, you guys. Thanks for helping me fill this up quick and getting it filled. Yeah, I'll get a copy of this posted up to our YouTube so everyone can rewatch it. Hopefully everyone was able to. Gold and black. Was the tri-auto a gold and black? Where does it say exactly, sir? Oh, out of 5 or out of 1, they're saying this could be.
Oh, really?
Holy smokes. That would be sweet. That would be awesome. Yeah, I'm curious to see what that will be. Gold out of 5 and black out of 1. That would be crazy. I wonder what that would go for. My TikTok is being flagged for gambling. I don't know. It just came up at the bottom of the screen. Good thing we are not gambling at all. It just came up at the bottom. It just said I was flagged for gambling. But I'm just showing a card. Dude, that's still awesome. That's still going to be awesome. That will still be awesome. I'm being flagged for gambling, apparently. What day will you do a pick a team again? I'm going to try doing these a lot more often. I will try doing these a lot more often. This went a lot better than I thought. Oh, I'm not supposed to show the wheel? My bad. I'm still new. My bad, bro. It's all good. Everyone won. We're good. Yeah. I will get these shipped out, packaged up, and oh man, I'm getting video. Yo, I gotta close my video. I'm getting flagged. I'm gonna get these packaged and shipped out to everyone. Thank you for the follow, Jackson. This will be up on our YouTube. Hopefully have another break going. Hopefully this week or next week. Get it going soon. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, everybody. And whoever reported me, yeah, you know.